Boiled potatoes really can help you lose weight? Not all calories are created equal. Different foods go through different metabolic pathways in the body. They can have vastly different effects on hunger, hormones, and how many calories we burn. Potatoes here the most weight loss friendly foods on earth, that are supported by science. White potatoes seem to have fallen out of favor for some reason. However, they have several properties that make them a perfect food, both for weight loss and optimal health. They contain an incredibly diverse range of nutrients, a little bit of almost everything we need. There have even been accounts of people living on nothing but potatoes alone for extended periods of time. They are particularly high in potassium, a nutrient that most people don't get enough of and plays an important role in blood pressure control. On a scale called the satiety index, that measures how fulfilling different foods are, white, boiled potatoes scored the highest of all the foods tested. What this means is that by eating white, boiled potatoes, you will naturally feel full and eat less of other foods instead. If you boil the potatoes, then allow them to cool for a while, then they will form large amounts of resistant starch, a fiber-like substance that has been shown to have all sorts of health benefits, including weight loss. Sweet potatoes, turnips and other root vegetables are also excellent.
Lights are red and they're sweat.